Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I talk about everything related to Heartland, the longest-running family drama in Canadian television history. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. I'm going to share with you some shocking news that Heartland star Michelle Morgan, who plays Lou Fleming on the show, revealed just before the season 17 premiere. You won't believe what she said and how it will affect the show. As you may know, Heartland Season 17 is set to premiere on September 19, 2023 on CBC and CBC Gem. The show has been renewed for another season after the successful Season 16 finale that aired in March 2023. Fans are eagerly waiting to see what will happen next for the characters and the horses on the ranch. But before the new season starts, Michelle Morgan dropped a bombshell on her Instagram account that left many fans stunned and curious. She posted a picture of herself holding a positive pregnancy test and captioned it, "Surprise! Baby number 3 is on the way. We are over the moon and can't wait to meet our little bundle of joy in February 2024. Thank you for all your love and support." That's right, Michelle Morgan is pregnant with her third child, and she's due in February 2024. She already has 2 children with her husband, Direct Estelle, a son named Marshall who was born in 2011 and a daughter named Mara who was born in 2015. This is amazing news for Michelle and her family, but it also raises some questions about how this will affect her role as Lou on Heartland. Will Lou be pregnant too in Season 17? Will she have another baby with Mitch or someone else? Will she take a break from the show or continue working until she gives birth? How will this impact her relationship with her sisters Amy and Georgie and the rest of the Heartland family? Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos about Heartland. I'll see you next time.